Today we are going to talk about something that a lot of you have been asking about, especially those people that have issues with acne breakouts or that have really sensitive skin. A lot of the products on the market have alcohol in them, have components that really kind of irritate and burn the skin. So today we're going to talk about a great face mask that you can make at home very easily using fruit juice, citrus fruit juice, and just plain old gelatin. So before I get into that, if you haven't subscribed or you're just new to the channel, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button. It's really important for you to get notifications when these new videos are up. So be sure and also hit the little bell, and then that way we kind of stay in contact and you kind of know what's going on. Also, I always ask that you ask questions and make comments in the comment section. And everything that I'm going to talk about today is going to be listed in the video description box. So the recipe, the ingredients for this face mask will all be there. Also, there will be some tips on different types of fruits to use depending on your skin type. So be sure and check out the video description box. Okay, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need an orange. You're going to need an orange. You're going to need a bowl. You're going to also need some plain Knox gelatin or any brand that's just plain. You don't want Jello gelatin that has like flavors in it or dyes, or you're going to dye your skin. So don't run out and buy orange Jello or you'll have orange skin. So we're going to use the orange and we're going to use the gelatin, 1 packet. And what we're going to do is we're going to slice the orange in half and we're going to squeeze it to make sure that we get 1/2 a cup of strained juice. So you're going to squeeze the juice out. You might need more than 1 orange if it's a smaller orange, but you're always, for any of these citrus face masks, you always need 1/2 cup of juice that's been strained. So you may find once you strain some of the pulp out of the juice, you need to add more. So then you're simply going to mix the juice and the gelatin in a pan and bring it just to a boil and turn it off, because what you want to do is you want to have the gelatin dissolve so that you can kind of see the clear bottom of the pan. We don't want to cook it too long. We don't want to boil it. We just want to bring it right to where it starts to bubble and turn it off. You can also do this in the microwave if you follow the same instructions on the back of the package. You can also heat the gelatin in the microwave with the juice in it. So that's a great way to do it. If that's easier, that's fine. Then what you're going to do, after you've made sure that the gelatin is dissolved, you're going to place this in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes, and you're going to need to check on it, because once it begins to gel, that's when we want to use it. You can't use it when it sets like a glob of Jello. You won't be able to do anything with it. So you want to check it 20 minutes to stir it. It should be almost set, sort of that glumpy, sticky mixture right before it sets. If you forget and it sets, just put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes to warm it back up, and you can use it. If it sets, it's not the end of the world. You don't have to start over. You can just warm it up in the microwave and start over. So what you're going to do next is, and I'm going to get close to the camera with this, is you're going to apply it to the skin. So let me get close here. You know how we love doing these close-ups. So as you can see, I'm going to just take the gelatin and place it, kind of rub it into the skin. Okay? All right? And it's going to be sticky. It doesn't take a lot. It will kind of melt a little as you put it on there. Onto the skin. It smells really, really good. You can also add essential oils to this. You can put a drop of lemongrass, or if you're having a big problem with breakouts, be sure to put a couple of drops of tea tree oil in there. If you want to really, really smooth the skin out and really have a refresher, a circulation refresher, especially for those that are into anti-aging, peppermint oil is really great for this. So then what you're going to do is you're going to wait about 30 minutes till it dries. You're going to wait about 30 minutes till it dries, and then you're going to peel and rinse it off. Okay, now once you've done that and you've rinsed it off, and I just forward myself to this part where I've already rinsed it and peeled it off. It peels off much like the charcoal mask, but because it's gelatin, it tends to be a little stickier, so you need to rinse with warm water to get it off. As you can see, it brightens your complexion, it brings out the color in your face. This is a really great way to calm acne breakouts. Orange is perfect because it's mild enough that it doesn't sting, it still loosens the skin cells, and then when you peel the mask off, you're taking the extra dead skin cells that have been blocking your pores off with it without irritating the breakouts. So if you add a couple of drops of tea tree oil to the mixture before you apply it, you're actually applying an antibacterial to your skin. So you're helping heal your breakouts much faster. So again, check the video description box for the different things you can do with these, but you know, lemon is going to be great for taking off old dead skin cells. It's a little stronger. The lemon juice will lighten skin if you have anti-aging problems or sun damage. It's great about lightening spots. This is a great inexpensive mask. I know a lot of you skincare junkies will go out there, go to the spa, and you spend a couple $100 on the same treatment I just gave you. It's concentrated, it's gelatin. If you're allergic to a certain fruit, use a different kind of fruit. You can use strawberries, papayas, apples, all of those things do different things to the skin, but you can use things that are not citrus. If citrus gives you a problem, this is not the only type of mask you can do. I mean, it's very versatile, it's very inexpensive. I look forward to hearing your comments about your experience with it. Ask me questions, and again, you know, stay tuned for more of these videos. And my hope is to bring you things that work, that don't cost you a fortune, but that are very effective on skincare. And that's for acne prone skin, oily skin, dry skin, which by the way, the papaya version of this is awesome for dry skin if you have dry skin problems. But we want to address all those issues. So again, please be sure and comment, please be sure and ask questions, and I will be back with more for you soon.